Are you tired of struggling to make ends meet? Do you want to find a way to make passive income online? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, we're going to be reviewing mini income streams, the ultimate system for earning passive income online. With mini income streams, you can finally say goodbye to the stress and worry of financial instability. Are you ready to discover the secret to earning money while you sleep? Let's talk about how you can start seeing fast and easy results with mini income streams. This isn't your typical online business opportunity that requires months or even years of hard work before you see any kind of return on your investment. With mini income streams, you can start making money in just a few weeks, with as little as 30 to 60 minutes of work per day. And the best part? The software tool included in mini income streams speeds up the entire process, making it even easier for you to start generating passive income. Once you start seeing those initial results, you'll be eager to see just how much more you can earn with this powerful system. 95% of Rachel Rofe's students reported success using her proven system. Top entrepreneurs and online business experts have also endorsed mini income streams as one of the easiest and most effective ways to earn passive income online. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from real students who have transformed their lives with mini income streams. One student, John, earned over $20,000 in just 30 days by following Rachel's program. Another student, Sarah, launched her own successful online business and earned over $1,000 per day using the techniques she learned in mini income streams. The benefits of mini income streams are clear: easy and fast results with none of the pain of traditional business models. You can work from anywhere in the world, and there are no additional expenses required after your initial investment. With mini income streams, you can break free from the traditional work model and start earning passive income on your terms. With all the training materials, software, and support included, it's truly a steal. And the best part is, once you invest in the program, you won't need to spend any additional money to get started. You can start making passive income right away with the tools and knowledge provided in mini income streams. In conclusion, mini income streams is an incredible opportunity for anyone looking to start their own online business and achieve financial freedom. With its proven methods, easy-to-use software, and comprehensive training materials, mini income streams has everything you need to get started on your entrepreneurial journey. Don't miss out on this chance to create a passive income stream and take control of your financial future. To get started, simply click the link in the description to purchase mini income streams. Remember, the program is a risk-free investment with a 90-day money-back guarantee, so there's no reason not to give it a try. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity today and start your journey towards financial success.